Integrated cleanroom technologies are changing the way we think about contamination control. But what happens when advanced systems work together to create the perfect environment for pharmaceutical production? An integrated cleanroom combines multiple advanced technologies into a seamless system, from air filtration and temperature regulation to automated monitoring and real-time data collection. These systems work together to create a precisely controlled, sterile environment for sensitive processes. Integrated cleanrooms rely on HEPA and ULPA filters for air purification, UV light sterilization for surface decontamination, and real-time monitoring systems to track critical parameters like temperature, humidity, and particle count. All of this is powered by smart systems that allow remote control and automated adjustments. Integrated systems don't just keep things clean, they work in tandem. Airflow management prevents contaminants from entering critical zones, while pressure control ensures that sterile areas remain isolated. Automated validation systems make sure everything stays within specification 24/7. This integration is crucial for industries where sterility is non-negotiable, from pharmaceutical manufacturing and biotech R&D to medical device production. Without integrated technologies, the risk of contamination and product failure would be too high. Integrated cleanroom technologies represent the future of sterile manufacturing, ensuring that safety, efficiency, and compliance remain at the forefront.